Need some breakfast inspiration? Well, I have 5 for you. Hey Busy Bees, it's Zung, and today I'm partnering with Oroweat Bread to bring you 5 more epic toast ideas. Let's get right on into it. In a bowl, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of cream cheese, then about a tablespoon of honey, drizzle it on, and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and with my mixer, I'm just gonna mix. Let it get nice and fluffy, gorgeous. And then we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of walnuts and 1 tablespoon of mini chocolate chips. Can you guess where this is going? Give it a good mix. Again, it's gonna be nice and soft. And now for our toast. This is my bread because the Oroweat bread line, especially my favorites, the Oatnut and the healthy multigrain, have no added nonsense in the ingredients, which means there's no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors, and there's no high fructose corn syrup. And now I'm gonna pop a slice of our oatnut bread in our toaster. It's a nice and golden brown color. And then I'm just gonna spread our cream cheese mixture right on top. And then I'm gonna dust it lightly with some cinnamon, blow off any excess, and we'll top it with some thick banana slices. And we'll call this the banana nut. All right, our next one. In a bowl, I'll add a 1/4 cup of mascarpone cheese, about 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, and again, I'll give it a mix. Look at that fluffy green color. I'll go back in with my spatula, make sure it's evenly mixed. And then on a slice of toasted Oroweat Oatnut bread, I'm gonna spread some red bean paste. This is just adzuki beans with some sugar that I've cooked up. And then I'll take our matcha mascarpone mixture, add another layer, and then I'll decorate it with some strawberry hearts. This is the matcha DAIFUKU. Alright, now for our savory toast, I'm using the Oroweat healthy multigrain bread. I'll add a layer of shredded gouda cheese, a slice of ham, more cheese, and some honeycrisp apple slices. Pop it in the oven. Let it get nice and melty for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Yum, nice and toasty and hot. And then we'll sprinkle a little bit of thyme on top. We'll call this one the grilled CHEEZUS. All right, for the next one, we'll start with a slice of toast. I'll add a layer of herbed goat cheese, wax on, wax off. We'll top it with some sauteed mushrooms and butter. There's oyster mushrooms, shiitake, and cremini in here. And then sprinkle it with some parsley. Voila, this is called our wild thing. Next, on a toast, I'll spread some harissa, also known as Tunisian hot chili pepper sauce. Then a nice layer of hummus. Can you guess where this is going? Sliced tomatoes, a fried egg, some zatar, and fresh parsley for color. This one is our SHAKSHUKA toast. Alright guys, what'd you think of our 5 more epic toasts? Which one would you try? Are you a sweet person or a savory person? If you guys want more epic toast ideas, be sure to check out my 25 epic toast video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, sign up for my newsletters for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!